That sandwich was the only good thing going on in my life. Someone ate the only good thing going on in my life.
My sister makes these amazing turkey sandwiches. Her secret is she puts an extra slice of gravy-soaked bread in the middle. I call it the moist maker.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to SeeBeardTry. It is the weekend after Thanksgiving, house full of Thanksgiving leftovers, and what better way to demolish some Thanksgiving leftovers than from Mr. Ross Geller's famous Moist Maker sandwich. You've seen me put this bad boy together. I can definitely see why this sandwich is what he lived for. I'm going to dig into it. I've never had one before. I made a extra large moist maker, a double moist maker if you will. It's got the mayo, the lettuce, the stuffing, the cranberry sauce, the extra layer of gravy soaked bread, fried turkey, salt and pepper, and more mayo. What else do you need? Got me a nice little Friends mug here filled with some sparkling water. Y'all know how I do. I'm just going to dig into it. Not got a timer, not a speed challenge. I'm just going to eat this monster of a sandwich with you all. Thanksgiving leftovers. The Friends Moist Maker. Man, doesn't that look good. Cheers. Oh boy. Mmm. Oh my. Oh my. I think I'm going to have to make this a Thanksgiving tradition. I wasn't real sure of the necessity of the lettuce, but I like that little bit of crunch it gets. Kind of breaks up the bread, gravy. Little texture deal it's got going on, you know. Everything's kind of soft in here. Thanksgiving, it was just us and the kids. Me and the wife and the kids. Didn't have a big shindig or nothing. Obviously, like a lot of people. I fried the turkey this year. Deep fried it. Turned out really good. And, you know, of course, just your standard Thanksgiving sides. Hope all y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We did. Stayed up and played some games with the kids. I ended up having to work the next day, but, you know, whatever. We had a good time. We made a Thanksgiving this year fell on my birthday on the 26th. And so I chose my all-time favorite Thanksgiving pie. It's a close tie between pecan pie and cherry cheesecake. But we had a pecan pie like a month or so ago back. My daughter works at Cracker Barrel. We tried one of their chocolate pecan pies. Amazing, by the way. If you haven't had one, I highly recommend it. But anyway, I chose the cherry cheesecake for kind of my birthday, Thanksgiving combo deal. You know, since we had that not long ago. And we done a, not a sugar-free version, because it's kind of hard to do a sugar-free cheesecake. But we swapped out some of the things. Look, we done sugar-free cherry topping, and we used Splenda instead of real sugar to mix with. The only thing that had real sugar in it was the condensed milk. And then, of course, whatever sugar was in the crust, obviously cream cheese and all of that, lemon juice, all of that, you know, doesn't have sugar anyway. But it was amazing. It was amazing. Turned out really good. Been trying to do no sugar November. Been going okay. But, you know, some things have natural sugars in them, you know, obviously the bread and different things like that. But so it's kind of more evolved into, you know, no added sugar. Because with vegetables and things like that, it's hard to stay completely away from sugar. The sandwich is amazing. As you can see, sure I got junk all over my face, but about 3 weeks into the no shave November, fixing to round up the month and my beard reset. Going along nicely. No trim 2 years. That's the plan anyway. I toasted my bread with just a little bit of bacon grease. Gives it a nice bacony flavor without bacon on the sandwich. Bacon makes everything better. For those of you that don't follow my other social media, I turned 38 this year. Didn't have a huge shindig or nothing, but the wife and kids got me a few little things. New bottle opener, some new hot sauce I hadn't tried, snacks, different things like that. And then my oldest, she actually got me a pair of custom created, she created them on the Vans website. Simpsons Vans. Amazing. I'll put a little picture that I shared on my other social media up. Sandwich half is like the size of my face. Thick. Oh my gosh. Let's dig in. All my dressing's falling out. No, you can't have none, Luna. I wanted to add like some hot peppers or hot sauce or something on there, but other than just making it bigger, I kind of just wanted to stick to the traditional Friends moist maker. Kind of stay true to form, see what it tasted like he liked to enjoy it. Not that it got to in that episode, but all the other times he had it. a sesame seed bun. We have a new kitten, Luna. She likes people food, so we got to keep her away from everything because she'll get into everything just like a dog. It's crazy. She's trying to decide if she wants to try to climb up my leg to get up here. Oh, so y'all hear me yelp. It's just her claws digging into my leg. No, she's mad because she can't get up here. Awesome sandwich. Kind of sad it's done. Last bite, folks. I know why you like it, Ross. Good choice. Very good. Alright, guys. As you can see, no more moist maker. This is SeeBeardTry. That was an extra large moist maker sandwich. As a homage, tribute, throw out, whatever you want to call it, to the Friends episode of the same subject. Uh-oh. I got an air bubble that won't come out. Parrot lamp. As always, after every meal, after every challenge, at the end of every video, I try to have a drink with my friends. And that's you guys. So as always, if you like this video, if you like this kind of thing, seeing me put together some food and eating some food and, you know, just kind of chit-chatting with you guys. I guess this is like kind of mukbang style or whatever. Be sure to give me a like down on the video below. Consider subscribing if you're not already. And share it with your friends if they like watching that kind of stuff too. You know, doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out. I'm still a very small YouTube channel, but we're growing on some social media. Just passed 200 on Instagram a couple of weeks ago. Facebook, I don't remember. It's getting up there close to the Instagram. It's not quite 200 yet. I'm thinking maybe 160 or so. And then 126, 127 on the YouTube channel itself. So, we're making some small growth. I'm excited to see that. Got a lot of challenges coming up. A lot more video ideas, some things for Christmas, which is just around the corner. And yeah, so as always, cheers my friends. I will see you on the next one.